Oh, we are rounding out the month of May here in Central Georgia, taking a live look over downtown Macon. Current temperatures, we've got a mix of 60s and 70s across the board at this hour in Macon right now. 76, dew points at 68, so it's up there. Feels like 76 while the winds are calm. Nothing to speak of on the radar picture, just one little lone shower exiting Albany, and that is going to do it for us tonight. 70 in Eastman, 75 in Cochran, 74 in Warner Robins tonight, 73 in Wrightsville, 70 at South and Forsyth and Thomaston this evening. Some severe weather out to the west, parts of Oklahoma, an ongoing tornado warning out there. That's going to stay out there, though. We're going to be locked into this tropical, muggy atmosphere for at least the next few days as we head into the beginning of June. So let's get into it here on Future View. Waking up tomorrow morning, we're going to be looking at temperatures in the 60s, and then tomorrow afternoon, a lot like today, one or two scattered showers across the area, but those are going to be few and far between. Notice we get one in Crawford County, one up towards Putnam County, and that's going to do it for the afternoon hours. It's not until Thursday when we really begin to kick things back up in terms of the shower and thunderstorm activity. Here we go at 5 p.m., a few scattered showers, maybe a few embedded thunderstorms, especially as we head through the evening hours. Notice the wind shifting here coming out of the northwest now. This is a weak boundary moving through, and it's going to have some success in doing so. Notice by the time we get to Friday afternoon, the Euro and the GFS putting that right along the Carolina coast, down through southern Georgia and down along the northern Gulf Coast. Then once we get into the weekend, things get interesting, to put it mildly. Here we go. Saturday at 5 p.m., that big blue blob off of the Georgia-Florida coast, that is a tropical system moving across Florida and on up the Florida or the Carolina coast. This is Sunday afternoon. Could have the potential to maybe give us some rain by the time we get to the weekend. Once we get past that, we're just going to be back into that scattered shower and storm risk. So here's the latest on this tropical thing. It was Hurricane Agatha in the Pacific Basin, currently working its way across Mexico. It has completely fallen apart while doing so, but as it reemerges over the Gulf of Mexico, near Cuba, perhaps the Northern Caribbean, it does have a 70% chance of developing in the next 5 days, and that's a high chance as it moves closer to the Florida area. So let's take a look at this on some of the computer models. We're going to be tracking the center of the storm now. So notice the Euro and the GFS both developing it. This is Friday at 11 p.m. The Euro is keeping it further north, moving it across the Florida Peninsula. This is Sunday morning, just off the Georgia coast there. The GFS further to the south over the Bahamas. And as we play this out into next week, you can see both models are keeping it around at least. The European stronger as it moves away from the United States, and then it becomes a fish storm out in the Atlantic. The GFS trying to take it right over Bermuda. So the next name on the list, or the first name on the list for that matter, is Alex. If it regroups in the Atlantic, it will earn that name. 68 tonight, mostly clear skies. Some patchy fog will be possible in areas where it rained today. Then for tomorrow, a high temperature of about 94. On the hotter side, with a scattered sprinkle across central Georgia, sunrise is at 6:28. Here's how the 7-day shapes up. It's 94 tomorrow, 95 for Thursday, a 40% chance of rain, and then we are going to be a bit on the cooler side for the weekend. 90 on Saturday, 89 for Sunday with a 20% chance of rain both days. Marv is back with sports right after this.